Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on the artifacts feature in Claude AI to create richer, more interactive output. First, log into your Claude AI account and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Settings. Next, look for the Feature section. If the artifacts feature is available to your account, you'll see an option labeled Enable Artifacts. Toggle to switch it on. Once enabled, artifacts will allow Claude to generate enhanced output such as a structured data table or creative format directly in your chat. You can test it by typing instructions like create a table summarizing these points or generate a visual summary of these data. Finally, explore the different artifacts type and see which works for you best. And this feature is especially helpful for reports, presentations, and structured project notes. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.